Hello everybody. Uh, this video is about how to add products using WooCommerce under WordPress website. So let's start with adding a product in WooCommerce. Now, first of all, you are to log in into your WordPress dashboard. So I'll show you how to log in into WordPress dashboard. Suppose you are on your website homepage. From the browser window, just type wp-admin and press enter. You will get this WordPress login screen. So my login details, user ID and password is already filled in the form. So I'm directly clicking on login. So once you logged in into your WordPress dashboard, from the left hand side menu, you will see the option product. Under this products option, click on add new product. So this new window will open where on the top you will see the label add new product. So this is add new product screen. If there is any other unwanted labels are coming or notifications are coming, you can close them by clicking on this cross sign from the right hand side. So there are no more notifications now on the screen. Now this is our product edition screen under WooCommerce. Now here you can see we can type product name. Under this we have product description area. On the right hand side we have product image, product gallery. From product image we can upload the main image of the product, and under product gallery we can add additional images about the product. And just below this product gallery we have product categories. We can select the existing category or we can add new category if the category is not present about the product. For the time being, just forget about product tags. Slider evolution not required. Now from this sidebar option, now if you are using any such theme where these options are available, now currently whatever theme I am using, that theme allows me to select sidebar on a product page. So we don't need at the moment this, so I am selecting disable. I have disabled the sidebar on the product page. Now footer, default footer I have selected, and no need to make any other change. Now under product description, we have this product data area available. Under product data we have product short description which will appear adjacent to the main product image when you see your product listing at the front end of your website. So now I will show you how to add product information on this page. So for this, I am opening up any e-commerce site. Preferably I am opening amazon.in, and from this website I will pick the product information and input in my WordPress website using WooCommerce. So I am selecting any random product from this list of products. I have selected these socks. So from this product page on amazon.in, this top area is product name. So I am selecting this whole product name and going back to my WordPress website and pasting the same on product name window. So you can see I have pasted the product name under product name area. Now next I will copy the product description like this. So I am just copying this product description, again going back to the website and pasting under product description area. Now from this product description, I am copying the initial or first couple of lines from here for the product short description and pasted the same out here. So now I have added the product name, product main description and the product short description. Now under this product data area, make sure this simple product is selected. If you click on this drop down, we have other options available, grouped product, external or affiliate product and variable product, but no need to choose any other option. Simply select simple product area. Under this you have to add product price. So there are two types of prices given here, regular price and the sales price. If there is any sales going on any of the product, then here you have to add sales price. Now your regular product price and sale price cannot be the same. Your sale price should be less than the regular price. So going back to the Amazon website. So here the MRP, the regular price. MRP means the regular price. Regular price here is 1099 and the sales price is 499. So going back to WordPress site, 1099 is the regular price and 499 is the sales price. So we have added product name, description, price and short description. Now from the right hand side area, we need to upload the product image. So I'm going back, clicking right mouse click on the image area and I'm saving this image somewhere on my laptop, or if you are using computer, so you can save the same on your desktop computer area. I'm saving this under desktop and the folder called HP. So I just saved this image. Now going back, click on set product image, and from the next screen there are two tabs on the top, upload files and media library. Under media library you have existing images. We have to follow upload files, then click on select file, and from here you have to locate the folder or wherever you have saved your image. So last time I saved my image under this folder, so here is my image which I have just saved. I have selected this image and click on open button from the bottom right corner. So it will take a couple of seconds to upload. Now the image is uploaded, and from the right bottom corner click on set product image and wait till image appear here. So you can see product image has appeared, and from here I will select any random category related to whatever product I have uploaded. So closely related category is, let me see, okay, clothing sale. That's it. So I have selected the category. If the category is not present out here, we can always add new category from this particular link, add new category. Now we are done with the product information addition. Let's double check it. Product name, product description, product image on the right hand side, then product category, product price, and last product short description. So we are done with this. After doing this, you have to press publish button. Your product will be visible at the front end only when you publish it. It will be available to the users. So I just click on publish. Now after publishing the product, you will see the button turned into update option. First time it will show you the publish button. From This time onwards, whatever changes you will make in future about this product, you have to update by pressing this update button. Now we can see the preview how this product looks in the front end of your website. I just click on preview changes. So here it is. Now you can see the product name out here, then product short description, price, image, and here at the bottom the product long description. Now you can see there is no sidebar. The whole screen area is covered by the complete product information. So that's it, how to add products in your WordPress based WooCommerce plugin.